Now, my wife Melinda, who is sitting here, is now going to give a running commentary on this preparation from the freshly purchased white prawns, Pinus indicus, from Varem sluice gate of my friend Shrikant Solankar. I personally went there on 9th night, watched the full operations, and they are all included in the playlist, which all of you should watch. And now she prepared, she took a lot of pains to prepare this. So please speak loudly and little give me information in English on this very tasty preparation. So what exactly is this preparation called? If it is an authentic Goan recipe which is being practiced with coconut and other ingredients for hundreds of years.
It is called SUNGTACHE SUKEM.
In Konkani, yes.
Konkani language. Now there are two types of suke. One is sadsadit.
But we cannot translate this suke in English at all, no?
Dry preparation.
Dry preparation. Dry spicy preparation.
Dry spicy preparation.
Go ahead.
Yeah. Sadsadit, where you use grated coconut.
Yeah.
The second
so you use shelled or unshelled prawns for this?
I have used shelled prawns for this.
Okay, fine. Next.
And the second preparation is called prawns suke, where you grind the coconut with other ingredients like chilies, haldi, whatever. Okay, turmeric. And this one which I have prepared is also with ground paste, but the only difference is that when you fry the onion, you have to use jaggery, a little bit of jaggery, so that the onion gets caramelized. This is the difference. And then we add prawns. Again, they are fried with.
What are the variations that generally are Goans are doing in this? Variations on these white prawns or manchecha SUNGTACHE suke.
The same thing I told you, jaggery. In the other preparations, other suke, we do not use jaggery, but over here you have to use jaggery. This is the only difference. And because of the caramelized onion, you get a distinct taste, a unique taste. So the suke is completely different from the other sukes which we eat or consume.